In the templates with the column chart in their titles, there is a column section in their panel. Let's find out its options. The first part is to customize the images. Here you can decide on their shapes, position, and size if you have included images for each column. In the bar style section, decide how wide you want the columns to be. Apply radius to the points if you want. Opacity is the level of transparency of the columns. You can add borders to them.
Let's discuss the spectrum color mode section. In the interbars mode, the spectrum is between the columns and the color of each column represents the corresponding value. In the interbars mode, the spectrum runs from top to bottom along each column, primarily serving an aesthetic purpose without revealing further information.
You can add background to the columns as well. It is possible to add borders to the background too. In the values section, you can display the values in the columns or at their endpoints. Then customize the orientation, position, and style. Thank you for watching.